Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about how to stay safe in the volatile market. Yes, so as you guys are seeing, about from 2 to 3 weeks, our market is highly volatile. Okay, and there's a lot of things happening. Some days the market will gap down like 3%, 4%, and market some days will gap up and open, and even some days we had like 10% market down and the market was shut down for 45 minutes. Okay, so all these things are happening, and as you guys know, the lot of stocks are falling down and a lot of stocks are going up. So how to stay safe in this volatile market, and if you're a beginner, how to identify the volatile market and when not to trade in volatile market, and also how to stay safe in volatile market. So all these things I'll be telling you in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding how to deal in this situation. Okay, and before that, if you're new visitor to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making constant profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what to get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about how to deal with the very volatile market. Okay, so this is a nifty 50 chart for what you're seeing right now, and as you can see, every day the market is having a very high volatile, and you can't predict how the stock will move or how the stock market will move, like what direction, whether it's going to go up or down, you can't predict. Okay, so it will be down in the morning, and as soon as in the afternoon in the next session it will be going up, and again it will be coming down. So all these things are happening in stock market now. Okay, so now how to deal in this situation. So guys, first of all, if you're using an Zerodha or Upstock account, every day in the morning before the market opens, that is around 9 or 9:05, you will get a notification that the margins are blocked. Yes, the first thing what will happen in volatile market is, I use Zerodha and Upstock, so I know about them. So if you're using any other trading account, hopefully even you will get a notification. But if you are using a Zerodha or Upstock, we get a notification every single day in the morning that the margins are blocked. Okay, we only get MIS margins, the cover order, bracket order margin, and also in Upstock OCO order margin are not available. So that is the time you come to know that the market will be highly volatile on that day. Okay, so whenever you get this notification, this means the market is very volatile and they're blocking the margin for our safety purpose. So a lot of people ask me this question, like many beginners, like why are they blocking the margin, or I'm not getting the margin to trade. So because the market is highly volatile and the broker wants you to be safe. Okay, so that's why they are not allowing high margins on this particular days. It's almost been like 2 to 3 weeks where we are not getting a full margins. Okay, so there's a lot of volatile happening, a lot of news are happening, and also as you guys know, many stocks are falling down. So for all this reason, they avoid giving you the margins. Okay, so if you are a beginner, this is the best way to identify the volatile market. So whenever a broker is blocking you your bracket order or cover order margin, that means the market is highly volatile on that day, so you should not trade. If you are a very beginner and if you're new, don't trade. Okay, so if you're new to a stock market trading, you should not trade on those days because you can't predict easily, because any stock might change its direction in any time. Okay, so this is the first point about how to identify. So whenever a broker is blocking your cover order or bracket order, that means the market is very volatile, and be safe on that day. And second thing is, how do you trade in this volatile market? Okay, so guys, the first thing is that the strategies what many people are using might not work good in this kind of market. Okay, so you should be highly safe when you're trading on this kind of market. That is, for example, let me say you're trading in 300 rupees or 400 rupees stock. So usually if you're keeping 2 to 3 rupees target and 1 to 2 rupees stop loss in a normal kind of market, then it is fine, that target will be easily achievable for you. But in this kind of market, I'll give you one safety tip. Okay, so if you're trading in 300 or 400 rupees stock, keep a target of 1 rupees and exit it soon, because the stock might change its direction in any time in this highly volatile markets. You can't predict. Okay, so for example, as you can see, the market was trading like this and suddenly the market fell all the way down. Okay, and sometimes as you can see, again here the market has fell and again it raised all the way up. In case you may think that the market will fall down, and if you have shorted here and if the market went up, you might lose your money. So avoid doing like this in the highly volatile market. Okay, and the market condition will be normal very soon, so don't worry about it. So a lot of people are asking, like, will we not get margin and all of these things? Yes, you will get the margin back once the market situation is fine and perfect and when it's normal. And also on 13th of March we had the situation where the stock market fell like minus 10%, and market was altered for 45 minutes, and people like beginners asked me why this happened. So guys, this happens every time when market moves plus 10% or minus 10%. Okay, so market halts for 45 minutes and then the market restarts with 10 or 15 minutes pre-open session, and then the actual trading will start again. Okay, so whenever it happens, even if it's plus 10% or even it's minus 10%, the market will halt for 45 minutes. Okay, so that's the rule when the market changes happens for 10%. Okay, and many people who are holding the positions have at their positions were went to negative. So people were asking whether to exit their positions or not, so I can't suggest you that. So that depends on you, like on what research you have done and what stock you have selected and holding the stock. So it completely depends on you, so do it safely. Okay, so market will be fine in upcoming days, so don't know when. So let's wait and watch how the market will perform. And now if you're getting MIS margin only, you can trade with it. Yeah, I understand the people are getting less quantity, you can't expect more profit in this kind of situation. Okay, and be safe. That's all I wanted to tell you guys. In this kind of situation, you have to be safe and don't do over trading in this kind of market situation, because market may turn in any direction and it may rise or it may fall in any direction. So be careful and be safe as much as you can and follow the stop loss. And a lot of people were asking, like, many strategies are not working on all of these things. Yes, in this highly volatile market, some strategies might not work. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit and want to learn 95% accuracy strategies which will work in all kind of market situation, you can join my course and I'll be guiding you how to trade and make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.